Okay, open the door for us. We're gonna go outside.
I can't.
Yeah, you
Thank
can.
you.
Since I have on mittens,
Pull it hard.
Grandpa.
Here, I'll do it.
Dear. Thank you.
We'll let you guys close the door.
Okay.
Okay.
It is snowing.
Let's walk out this way. I guess we'll go this way.
Hey, what guy? Help me, Grandpa. Thank you.
What?
I said help me. And then I said thank you. Whoa! I fell on ice. I fell on ice, Grandpa.
Yeah. Well, don't fall down and go. You're gonna get cold if you fall down. We'll get a step on this like this. Follow me.
I can't. No, don't look at me. I'm trying to follow you. I'm not looking hard. Whoa! Okay, snowing. You like it? Go backwards, Lord. You're going to the fence. Hey, let me pick out the ice. Whoa! Hey, I broke it. Let me pick up the ice. Grandpa! Grandpa!
What?
Look!
Yeah, ice. There's a Lucy's missing.
Grandpa! Stay
Yeah.
right there.
This is the 21st or the 22nd of December 2008. It's a Sunday. It's around noon or something like that. Come on, Megan.
I can't even break it.
Ice is so hard and thick.
I shoot.
Oh, careful. Don't get any snow in the boot.
I did it.
Here, let me hold you. Careful. Here, hold it. Shake off the snow. Shake off the snow. Yeah. Okay. Be careful. I'll hold your hand. Yeah, you go this way. See if you can walk on top of it without it cracking.
Can you?
Start walking. Don't let your boots come off. Go ahead.